Well, it's that time of year again, getting ready to take off for some holidays. Christmas is a couple days away, and it's time to start winding down a little bit. And I mean, it's been a busy year. We've worked really hard, and we haven't shot a lot of videos at all. I mean, probably one of the years where we haven't done much as far as video, but we've done a lot of other things. So I'm going to pull out a splitter. I haven't split wood in quite some time, and it's a nice mild day today. We've had a pretty good start to winter. It's been really cold. Probably should split a little more wood, even though it's not going to be ready for this year, but preparing for next year anyways. But we've been burning wood, a lot of wood. It's been rather cold for this time of year in Ontario anyways, and I think other places it's been pretty chilly as well. So let's fire this tractor up and let's get going. Oh, it's easier than pulling it through slush, I guess. I think she wants a little more fuel here. Give her a quick shot. Oh, right to the brim. So where was I? The factory. So since the majority of it's done, we've hired some more people. We've got another engineer starting in January, which we're excited for. We'll be able to start working on some new stuff, which we're really excited for. We have a new vertical machine that's well on the way. But with that property, when we bought it, it was in rough shape. I mean, it hadn't seen people really inside of it for years. And it was going to use the storage and whatnot, which was fine. But the main part of the building got built maybe 1895. So it's got some age on it, but everything was in good shape. You know, the foundation was in good shape. The brickwork was in pretty good shape. And, you know, it's got a bit of acreage with it, so we got future space to grow, which is always important. And so we knew that when we were going to start digging, we were going to find some stuff. But it's probably the biggest unknown. I mean, it wasn't really a disappointment because we got it done, but we moved a ton of dirt out of that place. And it was all bad soil, not from contamination, but just they would layer topsoil with subsoil for years. They didn't ever fill stuff with proper dirt back in the day. They just kind of found dirt, slammed it in a hole, and called it a day. So when you're building stuff these days, you need proper foundation. And so we had to dig down quite a few spots to get down to virgin soil and then put gravel or fill back in to get it to where it was going to be proper for a driveway or for us to pour footings and so on and so forth. And then, of course, we had tariffs. So initially, we had intended on getting a lot of stuff from the U.S. And that all changed. We ended up getting a lot of stuff from Europe instead because we had tariffs, which took us another 3 months. So once we had all of our steel, all of our cladding, stuff went pretty good, you know. Things don't go to plan. And that's just the way life is sometimes. You work with what you got. I got to say, a big thanks to all my employees, and especially the managers, because we put in some serious time to get it to all come together. So I'm pretty proud of the Split Fire team, for sure. But as far as the production stuff, we're pretty set. We got still going to make a bunch of custom racking and organization, just efficiency kind of stuff. That's, in a business like ours, efficiency is key. If you can't be efficient at what you're doing, you might as well not compete. So I'd figure, you know, now that we're getting close to getting it finished up, probably maybe in February, we'll do a nice shop tour for you guys. But in the meantime, we're taking a week and a half off for Christmas. We'll be back on January the 5th is when we're back. So if you have questions, send us an email, and we can help you out before we go away on holidays. A lot of this wood is stuff that we took down from the factory too. I had probably a good 15, 20 trees of all kinds of variety again that we had to take down. Alrighty, let's get this emptied. You know, now that I have a high cap bucket on here, I rarely ever use my dirt bucket. Like, I do for digging dirt, of course, because that's what it's good for, but I don't use my regular bucket much. It's just so convenient to have the extra volume for what I do anyways. Moving snow or mulch or split wood or whatever. It's just handy to have a little more volume. And we'll probably start offering these in a couple different colors now, and a John Deere QD for the guys that want to put them on the John Deeres, because you know you want it to match. Like this is Kubota orange, probably make me a little happier. But one cool thing too is we're gonna have a little wood yard in the shop, which I'm really looking forward to. So let me put some diff lock on here. Come on, baby, come on. So all in all, you know, 2025 was a really busy year. We had some pretty big ambitions, and our goal was always to be moved in by the end of October, which we met. We moved in October the 10th, somewhere in that range. And so at the end of the day, I'm very, very happy. Yes, I wish we could have had more time to shoot more video and make more content, but we made it to a bunch of shows, and we were able to show off our product, and we had a good amount of orders, which I'm really thankful for. Thanks to you guys for supporting us. And at the end of the day, you know, it's Christmas time. We can slow down a little bit. We're really thankful for what we have as well. So, you know, in 2026, we're making a lot more content. We'll have some new products. We'll be modifying the existing products to make them better, like we always try to do. And I just want to say thank you from myself and the Splitfire team for supporting us, both through orders and through YouTube, social media, all that good stuff, the comments, the good and the bad. We appreciate it. And I want to wish you a Merry Christmas and a happy 2026. So thank you very much.